In this Studio 3T highlights video, we'll go over how to set up and install a MongoDB local host on macOS. A local host is a MongoDB database that resides locally on our computer. Please find links to articles on reasons for and how to set up a local MongoDB host in the description below, along with a link to the Homebrew website. To begin, open macOS's terminal application. As a reference, we'll keep open Studio 3T's article on how to install a local MongoDB host on macOS and connect to Studio 3T for copying and pasting command line code into terminal. We'll start off by installing Apple's Xcode. In terminal, run the following command line by copying and pasting xcode select install into terminal. Hit Enter on your keyboard. We'll see the progress of the installation. This may take a bit. Once done, we'll then need to install Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager specific to macOS for providing a convenient command line interface for installing, updating, and uninstalling various software packages, including MongoDB. Back in terminal, run the following command. Again, we can simply copy and paste this code from our article. Hit Enter. Next, we need to install the MongoDB Community Edition using Homebrew. Copy and paste each of these lines of code into terminal as sequentially listed, hitting Enter after each. Now, it's time to connect Studio 3T to your newly installed MongoDB database. Open Studio 3T. Click the Connection Manager button at the top left of the global toolbar. The Connection Manager window opens. Then click the New Connection button. Select Manually Configure My Connection Settings. And click Next. In Connection Name, name what you want to call your local host. In this instance, we're just going to call it localhost. And in the Server tab, leave Standalone as the connection type in the dropdown. Also, leave the port field to its default number of 27017. Now, check that the connection works properly by clicking Test Connection. And it does. And finally, click Save. The connection tree now shows your local host connection is available. You're ready to start using Studio 3T without needing it to be tethered to Atlas. It's free! Please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching and happy connecting locally.